Greetings everyone. Here I am representing Cyber Mitr AI based chatbot, and in this you can ask any question and it will give you answer on the basis of your question. On the screen it is displayed I am facing fake ID problem on Facebook, and it has given you the relevant answer how to report the threat. So this is a very good bot which is providing you all kind of answers related to cybersecurity. Even you can write in the simple language mixed, like you are writing Hindi in the format of English, like मुझे spam SMS आ रहे हैं. Now it is processing the question and will show the answer, and you can see the answer is coming on the screen, and it is giving you the answer in the form you have asked. नमस्कार साइबर रक्षक में आपका स्वागत है, एंड आपको SMS से बचने के लिए अपने मोबाइल को रजिस्टर करना होगा. तो यू कैन सी इट इज़ गिविंग द आंसर एज यू हैव आस्क्ड. नाउ वी आर आस्किंग क्वेश्चन इन हिंदी. मुझे स्पैम SMS आ रहे हैं. इट इज़ प्रोसेसिंग एंड यू हैव गॉट द आंसर इन हिंदी लैंग्वेज. So it is a very good way to ask the chatbot question related to cybersecurity in your own language and get answers. Like here is the example of Punjabi language. The example question is in Punjabi and it has given answer in Punjabi. And this is created using Open AI, ChatGPT, Python, HTML and CSS combined together to create this chatbot for you in front of you as the cyber myth. So hope you have enjoyed, and it will be useful for the teenagers to ask the question. So let's have better internet together. Thank you.